short video. I just wanted to share this one with you because it was so easy to make. I made this, what's that, 15 years ago? But there, look, see, it picks up the swarf lovely. So there we are, picking up the swarf, just to share it with you. Now we'll go over to the bucket and drop it. So off it comes. How simple is that? Right, so it is a bit of 15mm pipe, 15mm copper with a blank on the end. Look, you can do that. Turned a little aluminium piece just so that it pulls the swarf off. Now, the difficult part, there we are, it's out. Right, so what I did on the end, 2 rare magnets. That's a nylon bush, and then what I did is just pin the end over so it doesn't come off. So it's simple enough, and they fit in the inside the tube of treat. Put a little slider stop there, look, and that is aluminium. That there is 303 stainless steel. Little aluminium handle. I'm sure that you can all manage this. Nice and simple to make, and I believe a lot of money to go and buy. So there we are, you can make that quite easy. The dearest bit for me was the magnets, because I had the pipe. So there we are, that's what we've done. This is Dave signing off. Don't forget the bits at the bottom. Thumbs up, subscribe. There we are, another little toy for you. We'll catch you all on the flip side. Byesy byes, whoosh, we're gone.